and gentlemen, Pixel fans of all ages, I'm here today to tell you that the Android 13 beta is now public. So if you want, you can take your happy little self over there with your phone and you can sign up for and enroll in the beta. So you could actually download Android 13 directly onto your Pixel 4, 5, or 6 device. Sorry, 3A, this doesn't extend to you because why? The Pixel 3A is not going to get another operating system update. So they say that fortune favors the brave, and I really got to put this in context here because I don't necessarily know that this is something you want to be brave enough to try yet because, quite honestly, the official Android 12 has not gone the greatest over the last 6 months since we've had the Pixel 6 phone. It might be more stable for the Pixel 4 and 5, but here's the thing. Android 13 is the future. Right now, though, there's not a whole lot. So from what I was reading, they've really only added 3 features right now. And as they do more developer builds, more public beta builds, as we get closer to Android 13 about 6 months from now, then there's going to be more and more features they add in there. So right now, they have something called low energy Bluetooth audio, which I guess it enables you to have lower powered Bluetooth, so it saves money. It saves money in your car insurance. Not really. It saves battery, at least from what I know. I don't know a whole lot about low energy Bluetooth. There's also MIDI support, MIDI, which allows you support for certain instruments. And there's something in there about new permissions for photos, I think. Anyway, yeah, I was reading through it. There's nothing really worthwhile to sign up for yet. I wouldn't rush out there just yet because likely you're going to encounter probably some bugs. Why? Because this is a new version of the operating system. It's rudimentary. It's something that's like a work in progress. That's why it's called a beta. This is what they do with the public build test. First is a software developer test, and now it's the build for the public. So now you can enroll in it. It's very simple, and I actually have a link in the description. If you want to click on that, you can follow some very, very brief instructions and enroll in it. However, I don't think they have the update yet to where you can opt out of the beta and go back to an official build, but that's also problematic because that's with Android 12. See, Android 12 has betas for new software updates, and then Android 13 is completely separate. So if you try to go over to Android 13, definitely if you go to Android 13, you're going to have to do a factory reset to try and get back to 12. So, and probably even do a downgrade with a side load, I would imagine. I would really stay away from the Android 13 beta right now unless you're just really curious and really know what you're doing. I don't know a whole lot about it. I'm just letting you know. It's a cool thing. I like that Google does that. I like they make it available. And again, this is the first public beta build for Android 13. So I'm sure it's stable enough to use. I'm just not brave enough to go mess with it. I've had enough problems. We've had enough problems with Android 12 already. Let's focus on fine-tuning that for now. Android 13, of course, will launch this fall with the Pixel 7, so probably around the October timeframe. And hopefully it's ready and good to go by then. But that's also part of the beta process. If you get in the beta process and you do beta testing and you identify bugs, you can be part of the solution to tell Google, hey, this needs to be fixed, this is problematic, yada, 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 et cetera, the end. And that's how the betas move to the official versions because people are using them, they're testing them, and telling Google, hey, this is working, this is not working, this is crashing, this is problematic, XYZ. So it's a good thing they do. I used to be a brave person and do the betas for iOS and for Android, but I'll just stick with my pedestrian version of Android 12 for now. If I happen to get another Pixel phone, I will definitely check it out and put it on that phone. But for now, I'm perfectly happy with the official build on my Pixel 6. So that's pretty much where we're at. I just wanted to take a minute to let you know it's an exciting thing. It's something us Pixel guys get to do, and our gals too. Don't want to leave you out. It's something cool we get to do. We can participate in that. And also, if you're in the beta program, you can be on the lookout for the other stuff for Android 12 when they get new updates. So, yeah. There is exciting stuff coming. I like that they do this. I hope that they can make this a better process overall for us Pixel users as we move forward. And I hope 13 is locked down tight when it gets here because it really needs to be. And hopefully 12 will continue to get better and better, more enriched, more features, less problems, and make everybody with Pixel phones happy. Because that's what Google should be trying to do, making Pixel fans happy. Kermit the Frog, happy hands, just like that. So yeah, that's all I've got. Nothing too crazy, straightforward in this video. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please go to the comments section. I will get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.